Good evening, Jai Hind friends. You're welcome to this new video of Nifty analysis in which we are going to analyze the Nifty based on Elliott waves for Monday and on a very short term basis, say the next week. And now here this chart of Nifty, and as you can see, this is a 2-hour chart. And from the high of 12,430 odd levels, which we made in January from here, this top, the fall that we have seen till 7832 levels, it has been very fast and absolutely one way. Part of it, you can say, in fact, the whole of it has been contributed by the coronavirus affair. Anyway, if you see, this is an impulsive fall, and I have tentatively marked the waves, which are wave 1 of this major wave, been concluding here, and the second wave is here. Now, if we see from this top, which was around 12,250 odd levels, we have started the wave 3. And in this wave 3, we have completed wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. And now we may have completed the wave 5 at 7832, or we are still into wave 5. When we move into a shorter time frame, we'll see that. But first, let me explain some important things in this chart. Now, see here, the only point is that this wave 4 of wave 3 in a way, it has retraced more than, I think, 38%. If we see it, yes, it has retraced more than 50% in fact. Now it can do so, although if you see this wave 2 that I've shown here, it has hardly retraced anything. It has retraced barely 20%. If you see 23%. So if you apply the rules of alteration, the wave 4 must be more than 50% for as far as the retracement is concerned. So it's not odd. It's not absolutely impossible. It is odd, I must say, but it's not impossible. Anyway, we'll progress with this. So wave 1 of the major wave here, wave 2, the inner waves are shown here. Now let us move on to a shorter time frame, say 15 minutes. Let me put it down here. Now, one point more before we move on to this larger time frame. So if this count is correct, then you see the maximum that we can expect Nifty to fall, that will be around 7700 levels. One thing is that if it reaches 7700 levels, the bounce should be sharp. Once we break 7832, 7700 odd levels, we can see on the Nifty, that's no question about it, but then the bounce should be very sharp if this count is correct. And we should be reaching 10,000, 9,000 levels in a day, because this will be an extended fifth wave. Although extended fifth waves or third waves do not retrace as sharply as normal waves do, but still we are going to give a very good movement up, reaching minimum 8500 from those levels, the base of the inner wave 3. चलिए इसको थोड़ा छोटा कर लेते हैं. Let us move on to a 15-minute chart to see whether we have completed the wave 3, wave 5 or not. Let me So here we go. You see, it's a very simple and very easy marking. I'll mark it in red so that it's clear. You are not confused with the larger time frame chart. See, this will be wave 1 here. This should be wave 2. Somewhere here. And I will mark this level also so that we remember from where this count has started. We're starting it from the bounce of 10137. So this is the wave 4 that I'm anticipating in the wave 3. And this should be the wave 3 here. This should be the wave 4. So I think it's clear. From 10137, where I have marked the inner wave 4 of the third wave, you see we have completed wave 1, 2, third wave when we made a low of 7832 levels. And now we have bounced and made a wave 4. I think wave 4 has been completed here at 88. This level is, I think, 8882, if I'm correct. 8882 is the level. And obviously the downside has also started. This is the wave 1 that we have completed here, and wave 2 here, and now the wave 5 will progress from here. So we should break this level immediately on the downside without breaking above 8882. If 8882 is broken, we will have to recount, we will have to realign our charts, because then the wave 4 would have retraced much further up and this count will become questionable. But right now, if 8882 is not broken and we go down, we should break the earlier lows and make a low around 7700 levels. But as I said earlier, 7700 is a level from which we will bounce, and will bounce very sharply. And if you see the Fibonacci extensions of this wave, $7,700, $7,500, these are the levels that you can see on this wave, the completion of this wave. So let me put it this way and write it here so that it's clear. 7,700-7,500 levels for bounce. So I think that will be all as far as this video is concerned. For immediate short term, that is Monday, we should be in a bearish zone and we should be retesting the lows that we made of around 7832 before we break above 8882. But remember, once we break this low, it will be a good buying opportunity. Thank you. Stay apart to stay together till this coronavirus menace is there. Stay healthy. Thank you. Jai Hind. Namaskar.